there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'm not gonna only show you how to do it, but I'm also gonna show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money by doing nothing. This is free and it pays with PayPal. Make sure to follow all the steps highlighted in this video. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. First and foremost, I want you to go to Google and search for Unbounce. Then scroll down. You'll go to unbounce.com, which is the official website for the landing page builder and platform. Go ahead and click this link to see the official website of Unbounce. We'll use this website to make money online in today's session. I'm going to show you something really cool right now. You might be earning as much as $320, $880, or even $1,600 right now. It's only a rough estimate of how much money you could make if you stick around. To refresh your memory, Unbounce is a tool that allows users to construct several landing pages and websites. I'll teach you how to easily and quickly automate a tenfold increase in your existing income. So, let me show you how Unbounce functions. Customers can use Unbounce to design attractive landing pages and websites. Allow me to demonstrate some of the websites that Unbounce can build. You may find examples on a variety of websites, and Dave even supplied several right here. You can return to these examples later if you want. You don't need to be concerned because we won't be creating any websites or films. And we won't require any technological skills or knowledge. I simply want to demonstrate how beneficial the Unbounce platform is in allowing our team to develop stunning websites like this one. Now that I've shown you how to use Unbounce, I'll teach you how to use it. I want to demonstrate how their partner program can help us make a lot of money. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Go to unbounce.com homepage and then under the company section, click on Partner Program, which will take you to this page. You can see that for every referral, you can earn $20 in recurring revenue. They pay you every month in recurring revenue commission. That is why this is a fantastic website. This refers to the first time you set up the system. Every month, you can continue to make recurring commissions. Let me show you the 4 distinct Unbounce pricing choices available to you, all of which are completely free. You are under no obligation to purchase anything, and the purpose of today's video is to refer and promote Unbounce to others. As you can see, $80 per month, $120 per month, $200 per month, and even $300 per month are all viable options. So, as you can see, the most lucrative monthly income package is $300. Let me now demonstrate your website's earning potential. $300 a month for a year is $3,600. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning and new money-making strategies online. From there, we'll receive 20% of the commission, which means we'll be able to earn $720 from a single customer with only one click. Without putting in much effort, you can easily earn $720 from a single customer. We can make a lot of money by promoting and referring Unbounce to others in a very simple, free, and automatic way. If you wish to join the Unbounce Partner Program for free, all you have to do is click the Sign Up Now button and a chat bar will appear at the bottom as shown. Then to fully join up for a free account with Unbounce Partner Program, you must answer a few questions. As you can see, you're all set to join the Unbounce team. You'll be directed to this page where you'll simply need to enter your email address and establish a password. Finally, click the Sign Me In option to go to the dashboard of your new account. To receive your unique referral link, you must first accept the terms of service after successfully registering for your account. Now, by clicking this button, you'll consent to it, and you'll be able to sign up for a free account with the Unbounce Partner Program. You can now see how many clicks you'll get, how many referrals they'll get, and of course, how much money you've already earned on the summary page. This is a brand new account, so you don't have any earnings yet, but you'll soon start earning a lot of commissions using the exact strategy. So click on the links button right here and dismiss, and we'll see your unique referral link. And all you have to do now is click on this copy button to copy it. So for the next step, I'd like you to go to Quora and create a free account using either Google or Facebook. Once you've successfully created an account on Quora, we can begin posting content and answering questions. Quora is essentially a forum where a big number of people participate. Users can post a variety of photos and videos as well as ask and answer questions on the site. This is where you can get a lot of free, highly focused visitors. So from there, go to the search bar, which is located right here. I want you to type in the keyword, how do you create a landing page? And that will take you to a page where you can find different questions that people are asking about how to create landing pages. And some people are answering them. And this is going to be your best opportunity to refer and get free traffic to the Unbounce website by using your referral link, and you'll be able to earn 20% of the recurring revenue and commission, depending on which pack you refer. The more expensive packages they select, the more money they earn, as they demonstrated with a maximum commission profits of up to $720. This is a fantastic way to get started as a complete beginner. All you have to do now is click the answer button, which will open a box where you can input your answers, including your referral link, and then click the submit button. You should be aware that this is a highly effective strategy, and if you want to keep making money, simply search for phrases like how to construct a website, since Unbounce allows its clients to do so as well. And the possibilities are endless. Simply keep searching for new terms and answering different questions in Quora while leaving your referral link to gain a lot of free traffic. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you make money by doing nothing. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you in the next video.